One of the best ways to stay productive and organized while you're on the go is by installing the OneDrive app on your mobile device. Keep in mind the OneDrive app is available for Android as well as Apple devices. I'm going to go ahead and open OneDrive on my Google Pixel phone. Now, one of the things that you have to keep in mind is you do have to log in to your eCSD account for Office 365. You can simply use your eCSD email and your password. Once you've gone ahead and logged into your account, you will see that you have access to all of your files and folders from your Edmonton Catholic School Division OneDrive. Notice that not only can I see all of my files and folders, I can also view any recent documents that I have been working on in OneDrive. I can access shared documents, particularly documents that have been shared with me to collaborate on. I also have access to document libraries from Microsoft Teams as well as other SharePoint sites. And finally, in the Me tab, here I can view my profile. I can see any photos that I have uploaded to OneDrive. I can also see any files that I've made available offline, and I can access my settings. Now I'm going to take you back to Files. One of the best features built into the mobile device of OneDrive is a scanner function. Now, before I use the scanner function, I am going to go into the folder that I wish to scan a document into. So I've opened up that folder, and when I'm ready to scan my document, I'm simply going to tap on this camera icon here in the bottom right corner. Now, before I scan this document from this book, notice the menu along the bottom. I could scan a whiteboard. So if I'm in the middle of a meeting and I'm viewing a presentation on a screen, I could snap a picture of that slide. I can scan a document, a business card, or even simply take a photo. Now, I'm going to scan a document so I can show you what this does. I'm going to line up this chart as best as I can and simply tap the center button. Notice that the OneDrive scanner not only resizes but adjusts the document so that it is level. Notice that I have some tools that I can use to enhance this snapshot. I can crop the scan, I can rotate the scan, I can even add text or use the inking function to mark up and annotate this document on the go. Once I'm finished scanning my document, I'm simply going to tap Done. Notice that I can choose the name or the title to save this document as. Let's just change it to its demo. Notice that it is currently saving to that folder that I selected beforehand. I can also see other locations, including document libraries of SharePoint sites, to save this content to. When I'm ready to hit save, I simply come up to the top and tap on the check mark. And that scan will be uploaded to my OneDrive. This scanner feature is incredibly handy, again, if you are in staff meetings and you get handed a paper copy of a document. Now you can keep track of those paper copies in your OneDrive. It's also handy if you are a classroom teacher and you need to take pictures of student work or student products demonstrating learning. Instead of having the photo saved to your device, when you use the photo or the scanner icon here in OneDrive, that image automatically gets saved to your OneDrive account, not on your device.